Welcome to Davis GMC Buick in Medicine Hat. This is our pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. This one's got a 5.3 liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Summit white in color, body colored bumpers, front fog lamps and tow hooks, body colored mirrors and door handles as well. And inside the front, we have cloth bucket seats, power windows, locks and mirrors, nice chrome handle on the inside, plenty of storage inside the door, automatic headlights. There's a control for the fog lamps right there, automatic 4-wheel drive, cruise control, Bluetooth for your hands-free, steering wheel audio controls, driver information center buttons right there, just displays up on the dash. AM, FM, CD as well as satellite, dual zone climate control, traction control, a couple 12-volt outlets, a little bit of storage, cup holders there for you. Inside the armrest, plenty of storage space and another 12-volt outlet. And moving into the back, cloth bench seat. It's got a fold-down armrest, a couple cup holders in there for you. And rear seat audio controls, another 12-volt outlet, and then just down at the floor here there's some more cup holders there for you. Trailer hitch. And once again, this is our pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche LT coming down to Davis GMC Buick in Medicine Hat. Check it out, take it for a drive, or you can give us a call, 403-527-1115. You can also find us and the rest of our inventory, both new and used, online, www.davisgmctrucks.ca.